We are celebrating another successful year with Alair Conference 2025 in sunny San Diego.
We're celebrating Alair Homes. We're celebrating over 100 offices in the United States and Canada.
All the people from Alair all over the US, all over Canada have come together to celebrate, to learn, to experience growth and development in a really stunning way.
I think one of the things that draws everyone to Alair is like the big brain trust that all the builders have.
An amazing group of human beings who have decided that they want to be in not just a business journey together, but actually a life journey together.
I love the awards night. It's a great time for us to all just celebrate, have a good time, and recognize how special it is to be part of Alair.
Very excited about it, and everyone looks fabulous.
It's all about recognizing the best of the best across the network, and I'm really proud to be here with many of my colleagues and friends.
These conferences are a spot where I get to come and sit with my peers, spend time learning, thinking.
We have to make sure that we have what it takes. We have the focus, we have the passion, and we're tough enough to do it.
The conference immediately has all of us moving towards one vision, one goal.
Everybody here wants to be the best version of themselves. That's really what we're working on.
This is huge to see everyone in person, catch up, hug each other, laugh, have drinks.
You get the opportunity to really connect with the people that mean something to you, that you've built relationships with over 5, 10 years in Alair, and that's what Alair is. Alair is the people.
Nothing replaces getting together with friends and colleagues and really being able to share ideas, but also share a lot of laughs.
I've been a part of Alair for 6 years, and it's just like-minded people that want to grow their business, grow themselves.
It's bound to leave you inspired, motivated, excited to get back to work, to be able to apply everything that you've learned.
Alair is for anybody who is looking to be the absolute best at what they do.
We're celebrating who we are as a team, as a whole group, Alair Homes.